you're wondering why, if the EarthRoamer is so capable and it's four-wheel drive and has 42-inch military tires, I think, and we're towing a Jeep, it's because as capable as the EarthRoamer is, there are some places that are too narrow or too low, or we're not confident enough yet to take the big rig, so we unhook and take the Jeep. That gets us almost anywhere. Couldn't make this in the motorhome.
No.
Wow, look at that view. Yeah, this side's better. All right, so I just finished setting up our new camp. So we're here now for, I don't know, 4 or 5, 6 days. Again, until we run out of water, basically, or clothes. Look at this. Is this not spectacular? It's just amazing. So we're up on this butte. Some other people way over there. And water, the body of water you see over there is the Salton Sea, which used to be a tourism area. However, due to farming and pollution, they pretty much killed it. So we're going to hang out here for a while.
Well, the effort is worth it, because this is the view that we have from the door of the EarthRoamer.
Hi.
Hey. There's our little fire pit, and there's the mountains in the background.
Okay, so it's not perfect yet, but this is our outdoor cooking setup. Coffee bar, jet-powered camp stove. Making breakfast outside this morning.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's beautiful. We're sitting outside. We just had breakfast. The dogs are enjoying the nice warm sun.
I'm in the shade.
This is the life. So I didn't want to retire and then sit at home doing nothing, watching TV, creating a routine. We decided to go a different route and head out in our EarthRoamer and our Jeep in search of beautiful weather and interesting sights, and I think that we've done a pretty good job so far. So if anybody ever wonders if our dogs like to go out in the Jeep, we just open the doors as we start packing, and this is what happens. The doors are wide open. They're excited because they know we're going somewhere, and they just come in and lay down and wait. First flat spot you find.
Cool entrance though.
It is a very cool entrance. Release the hounds. Lulu. Lulu. It's a nice playing with the dogs day. Oh, hi Stella. Yes, Rudy. Come on, Lulu. Come on up, Lulu.
We are down here in the desert, in the wash, below the EarthRoamer location, and we're trying to find a way. We were seeing some trails below us. We're trying to get there, and we know the EarthRoamer is up here somewhere. Oh yeah, this is pretty flat up here. Oh my god. Yeah, at least you're calling bed with us. Yeah. No wonder I watch the sheets every 2 days. So I think the EarthRoamer is there. So there it is up there. How do we get there? Can't get there from here. Yeah, I think that's the way. Bit of a playground up here. There's Lulu. Let them out as much as we can when we're off-roading. They seem to rest fine in the back of the Jeep. They just lay there for the most part. Somewhere up here. And then gets us to the trails we're looking for. So Lee's was reluctant to drive up here. Doesn't look too bad. So I said I was going to go back and lock the Jeep. But then I decided I'm going to drive it up. Doesn't look too bad. And we're off. I'm sure it'll just crawl right in. No sweat. None whatsoever. There we go. I didn't think it was going to be very bad. Alright, now I'm going to go find Lise.
And Ray's gonna set up the drone. And I'm gonna drive for a while.